Trending stocks, we have RDDT up 14.9% and Roku up 14.96%. So RDDT printed an intraday high not long ago of $230.97, intraday low of 178.02, printed yesterday, the 30th of October. So, yeah, underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. Let's see now. The company disclosed its earnings outcomes, and trading and investing community members are actively discussing the company's revenue growth and future potential. Bullish sentiment is fueled by analyst upgrades and strong forecasts, while traders express caution, citing moderation challenges and a possible short squeeze. Discussions also involve the impact of AI-driven advertising, data licensing partnerships on the company's overall performance. Okay, it doesn't have any extrapolations. It hasn't been around that long. Okay, so projections are currently saying 203.62. Okay, so this is an intra. This is its all-time high of $270.71. The probability of it retesting that is not very high. I can tell you it's less than 1%, less than 1%. But it is also at such probabilities that a lot still happens. A lot still happens. The probability that it would retest 230.97, I can bet you, was also just as small as maybe 1%, and it did, and it did so. Okay, so let's yeah, there isn't enough data for extrapolations. We can just have a look at its 4-hour chart. Yeah, okay, we have some extrapolation here. It's saying that strength will remain in place up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, it might go into a contraction. As a matter of fact, it's just saying that it's going to go into a distributive contraction of this expansion that began yesterday. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections, nothing to the upside. Currently, 197.57. It's a downward projection. 192 as well, equally downward projection. We've seen it has printed the highs of around 281.229. This was on the 18th of September. The probability of that printing again is also less than 1%, but it could still happen anyway. It could still happen anyway. Yeah. Projections. Let's see. As of the 30th of September, I had as high as 274.22, 266.31, 255.32, 253.51. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have for Roku. Okay, intraday high not long ago in this session, 116.66 has broken through the $100 resistance that people have been talking about. Let's see what we have. Yeah, okay. Reported that Q3 revenue reached $1.21 billion with a gross profit of $525 million. Adjusted earnings were 16 cents per share, and net income was $24.8 million. Q4 revenue is projected at $1.35 billion. Rosenblatt raised their price target to 106 per share from a previous target of 101. Yeah, the stock is also trending as investors discuss the potential impact of recent news and partnerships, particularly the Amazon advertising deal on the future revenue, and that is the potential of partnerships and including the impact of the Amazon advertising deal on its future revenue. Community members, that is trading and investing community members, are debating whether the stock can finally break through it has done that now, the $100 resistance level. While analysts are weighing in with price target upgrades, we've seen that already. We've seen one already. Some traders express frustration over the stock's historical volatility and sensitivity to market fluctuations, but remain optimistic about its long term prospects in the streaming landscape. The extrapolation is saying that this strength will remain in place up till the 4th of November. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. From the 5th, then it might go into a distributive contraction that may remain in place at least up till the 11th of December. Projections are currently saying 11 point, sorry, 110.37. It's a downward projection. Let's see, previous projections were saying 114.56, 123.02, 128.25, and indeed downward projections of 94.37, 91.02, 88.94. Okay, let's have a look at its weekly chart. There are no extrapolations in the weekly chart. Projections here are saying 114.50, 125.09. Okay, no extrapolations here on its weekly chart. On its 4 hour chart, and you need to have a look there. Okay, let's see anyway. Here, okay, extrapolation is saying it's going to remain strong up till today, up to the close of today's trading session. Then after that, from the post market session, it may consolidate this expansion. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on. Have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Let's see how sensitive Roku is. Okay, yeah, it's a high beta stock, so I can imagine why it will be a sensitive stock. Yeah, it is a high beta stock, meaning that if the broader market is down, let's say 0.5%, Roku will be up by you have to multiply that by 2% by two. So yeah, if it's that will be 1%. So if the market is down by 0.5%, Roku maybe down by 1%. Yeah, yeah, that's what it's indicating. Okay, just one more time, have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.